In this video, let us look at this rank function in Google Sheets. So what rank function does is that it takes the range, for example, this one, then sorts it. So after sorting, this is how it is going to look like. Okay. And then it finds the position of the given value. For example, here I'm using this rank 55. So I want to find the rank of number 55. So you can see that rank of 55 is 2 from the bottom. If you want to find the rank from the top, you will have to pass the third parameter as true, and that will be 4. 55 is at fourth position from the top. Let us adjust this value. So I'm adding 57 instead of 1, and you can see now the new sort order is this one. And if you look at this position 55, it is 3 from top as well as bottom, and that's why we have got this value is 3 3. That's how this rank function works. Thanks for watching.